No matter what you're using as a straight edge to cut your vinyl tile, it all tends to slide around as you're making the cuts. You have to be very careful. So what I did was I put a piece of carpet tape on the back of this yardstick. You could use a metal yardstick or a piece of window trim or floor trim, as long as it has a straight edge. There'll be a bit of carpet tape sticking over the side, so just cut that off with a utility knife. I remove the liner. After I remove the liner, the straight edge is very firmly adhered to the vinyl, so that when I make my cut, I place pressure near the utility knife while I'm cutting, and it never moves at all. In fact, the carpet tape doesn't even lift off when I lift up the piece of vinyl. If you want to remove it, it removes easily. Now I'm tipping it up and then back and forth, and